I know we're friends, but baby, something's on my mind. So I apologize for taking all this time, but I got to tell you. No, can I pretend I don't feel like I...
Okay, breakfast ready.
Thank you. Thank you. In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. Papa Jesus, thank you for our food. I'm starting off with the kiwi. Guys, this is good. Oh my God.
Tapos nang kumain ng breakfast yung mga bata and pinabihis ko na sila bago pa kumain ng breakfast kasi alis kayo, punta kayo ng Mount. Except kay Holly, hindi pa siya nakabihis. Oh, ayan siya. Oh. Magsasampay muna ako kasi mainit ngayon guys. How many degrees today, kuya?
37.
32? 32 degrees, guys. So, linisan ko lang dito. Kanina pa ito magsampay and ayun, nakaayos na tayo. Hinintay ko lang yung boys. Alam niyo naman si Sak, yung book niya dapat maayos. And nagpalit ata siya ng t-shirt and si Holly nakaayos na rin. And kanina, ang aga kong gumising mga 5:30. Sinabayan ko si Jan kasi gumawa rin ako ng lunch niya. And nakapag-edit ako, naglaba. And ano pa ba ang ginawa ko? And si Jan, hindi siya nag-fishing na lobster guys, hindi lobster, kundi yung isang license namin, yung charter. Kasi meron mga taga Melbourne na mga doctors daw yun, sabi ni Jan sa akin. Tanungin ko ulit. Basta 12 silang tao na magcha-charter kay Jan. So nag-charter ngayon si Jan. Siguro mga, ano sabi ni Jan, gusto niya matapos siyang maaga kasi sobrang init ngayon. So baka mga alas 3 nandito na siya. We'll see. And tanungin natin kung anong isda yung mga nahuli nila or we'll see. Ayan na si Zach.
Hi.
Hi, ayan, nagbihis na siya, oh. Okay, let me see your hair. Okay. Where are you, Baba? Si Holly na lang.
Yeah.
Where's your slipper? Did you find it?
Not
Can you check it, Kuya, if it's in the car? Ayan, tinulungan siya ni Kuyang hanapin yung kanyang, yan yung ano guys, yung Birkenstock na sandals ni Holly. Okay, ako na, Baba, ako na. Come on. Oh, I thought you want chips. The loaded one. Okay, alis na tayo. Doon na kayo mag-lunch sa Big W. Yung ano ba, yung loaded na chips na may meat, ha? And yung aking ina-upload ay wala pa. 1 hour and 33 minutes pa raw. So, okay, let's go. Oops, battery. Okay, let's go. And yung buhok ko, ginanito ko guys kasi sobrang init ngayon. Sleeper. Walang sinelo si Sak. Ha? Okay, we'll find your thongs there. Kasi walang chinelas si Sak. Kaya ayan, magsasapato siya. Here. Can you hold this here? Dito na kami sa Mount. And punta muna ako dito sa Lima and Co. Kasi may titingnan ako. And kaya pala kami nandito sa town kasi bibili kami ng Kris Kringle ng mga bata. And tingin-tingin ng kung ano pang pangregalo sa mga family. Huh?
Family.
No family here. Kuya, go inside. Dito tayo guys. Oh. Pinagalitan niya ako. Meron ako sa bag eh. Wala na yung Christmas tree dito guys. So iba na yung naka-display. Ang gaganda ng mga ano nila oh. Para sa kitchen oh. Ito maganda tong salad bowl oh. Kano siya? $79.95. Ang ganda. Ito, ang ganda nito. Yung, ano ba? Yung bagol. At tawag yun yung coconut. $14.95. Kasi tingnan nyo, oh. Maganda to para sa cereals or oatmeal. Kuha tayo dito. Ako nito, dalawa. Balikan ko na lang to kasi pupunta pa tayo sa loob. Ang gaganda ng ano nila, oh. Kung meron lang talaga akong paglalagyan sa bahay. Kasi ang cute, oh. Andun po, marami pa doon, oh. And wala na yung ano, yung si Jezebel. Wala na ata. This is, what do you call this, Kuya?
Seahorse.
Seahorse, that's right.
Now welcome.
Why are you smelling it? Okay.
Everything.
I know. Inaamoy ni Sak lahat. Okay, let's go. Ito, ang cute naman ito, oh. Yeah, wait. Ito, balikan ko rin to para sa mga asin, asukal. $14.95. So, ilagay natin to dito kasi mamaya babalikan ko yan. Oh my God, meron pa dito maganda, guys. May nakita pa ako na bagol. Ay, hindi. Kasi ano na siya, guys. Yung shell. Parang papasok yan yung ilalagay mong pagkain. Diyan sa mga gilid-gilid, oh. What's wrong, Sak? Why? Yeah, don't touch it. Lobster, oh. Dapat itong regalo ko kay John. Regalo ko to kay John. Magkano siya?
That's whitefish.
Yeah, $49.95. $50. Plato ni John. Ang bigat niya naman. Wala lang talagang mapaglagyan ng mga ganito eh. Ayan oh. Octopus naman to. Ito oh, maganda to oh. Plato ni Johnny Boy. Okay, Baba. Go, sir.
Oh, that's just a can.
Yeah, okay. Naka-crossbody bag din siya. Okay, go. Wala na rin yung bilen dito, guys. Oh, wala na. Nasaan na sila? Ang daming magagandang pang-regalo dito, guys. Ito, oh. Tumbler. Maganda siya, oh. Naboboard yung dalawa dito. Come on, come here. Naghahanap akong pandagdag dun sa nabili ko nung una. Hanap tayo. Dahil sa, si Sak talaga, inaamoy niya lahat. It's not real. Come on. It's not real. No, it's not. Don't.
I know, it's just rubber.
Yeah. Eto, maganda rin siyang salad
I
server.
hate this house.
Set na siya. Na ano ko, natinik. Tinatry ko tong kunin. Kasi idadagdag ko dun sa unang nabili ko. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, di ba?
Are you buying them?
Yes. What?
This
What's that?
bunny?
Is that what you're gonna give?
I don't know. I don't want to give this to baby Isla.
Tingnan nyo siya. Lagi niya.
I really want it.
Maganda tong jelly bag, oh. Lagi itong kinukuha ni Holly. Meron silang green, pink, at saka purple. Kumuha akong dalawa. Hindi alam ni Holly na yung isa sa kanya. Sabi ko, ipamimigay ko to sa friend ko. Nandun na sa counter yung mga nakuha kong iba. And eto, binalikan ko lang to. So, kunin ko siguro dalawa. Dalawa or apat. So, yan. Kunin natin silang lahat. Tapos, eto, para nga sa salt and sugar. Okay, let's go. Okay. What's the steps, huh? What's the step?
What's that?
That dance?
I don't know.
Wow.
I think I know the
Show me.
I know the step.
Go there, Holly. Go, try, Zach. Hurry up before it's finished. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries.
See ya.
Thanks for waiting.
Bye. Eto na guys. Tapos na tayo dito sa Lima & Co. Okay. Next shop.
What?
Go straight, yeah. Go straight. Go, Zach.
Wow. Do you hear that?
Tayo papasok sa Birdie Blue. Yeah, here, kuya. Here. Yep. Open. Oh, careful. Thank you. Okay.
Yes, it is Chona.
Yeah. Dito na kami sa marketplace kung saan nandito yung Big W tsaka Woolies at tsaka yung iba pang mga shops. Magla-lunch muna kami dito. Okay. Donuts? Okay. Tingnan nyo si Sak. You want fried rice? Okay.
Some chicken.
Okay. Ayan yung kay Sak. Tingnan nyo ang dami, oh. $12.82. Yan lang lahat. Yeah. And then yan kay Kuya. And may hinintay pa kaming isa. Yung ano, yung loaded na fries. Okay, Sak, you can eat now. You like it? Okay. Use the fork, yeah. Si Kuya nag-over the bakod. Okay, thank you. Gusto ni Kuya mag-swap. Okay, you can share, 'di ba? Ayan si Kuya, oh. Doon na siya sa may rice. Tinatanong ko kasi sila kung anong gusto nila eh. Ayan si Kuya, oh. Wala pa yung chips. Na?
Right.
Subukan ko nga si Kuya. Oh, here you are.
Good, right, but yours is better.
Mine's better. Thank you, yeah.
And it got veg.
Beef.
And it got vegetables.
Yeah. This one, Kuya. Honey chicken.
I've had that. Good.
Yeah, chicken. Share sila sa hotdog kasi may chips pa eh. More rice, yeah? Hot? Okay, thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. Andito na yung ating loaded chips. Ayan na yung tinidor ni Kuya. Okay. This is
When I'm singing, guys, I'm bumpy.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Ayan na. Kain muna kami, guys. Holly, do you want me to put some here? Okay. Ayan na si Kuya. Linagyan ko si Holly ng konti doon. Tapos, ayan si Sak. How are you, Sak? Good? Ayan yung food niya, oh. Iniwan na siya ni Kuya. So, kain muna kami, guys. Ha? Ito yung tira ni Kuya. Busog na siya kasi di ba kumain siya ng hotdog. And sabi niya, dalhin daw namin to sa bahay. And yung kay Sak, ayan, di ba kumain din yan si Kuya. Mayroon lang natira dyan na 2 spring rolls. And kumain din akong konti. Magdo-donuts na sila. Okay, open the donuts. Careful. Dessert na sila. Ayan na si Sak. Tigda 2 sila.
What are the other two? I'm getting green now.
Okay.
My favorite.
Nagsishare-share pa silang 2. Meron pa dito, oh. Ang Kuya. Good?
We got 3.
Is it good, Holly?
You get 3.
No, Holly. You can share with Kuya that green to Holly, okay?
You can do this one. Chocolate. Try the chocolate.
Okay, here you are. Good, Baba? Good, sir? Full? Ayan, tapos na saan kumain na yung 2 doon, oh. Ayan yung 2, oh. Dito tayo sa Woolies. Bibili lang ako nitong bag na to. Hi! Pasok tayo dito sa So Cute Baby Ko shop. Come on. Tingin tayo. What's up, Papa?
Whoa. Ballerina.
Tingnan niyo si Sak. Meron daw siyang nakikita. That one? This one? Not that one. Makaka-copyright tayo dito. Ang daming mga gandang mga pang babies. And yung mga bata andun, oh. Andun sila. Ha? Buy that one? You want that?
Yeah.
Why? Because what?
We want to buy it for baby Isla.
Really?
Is it, what size is it?
I don't know. Let me check what size. Makaka-copyright tayo. What size is this? Let me see. Wait lang. Tingnan ko anong size. Cute nga siya. I think it will fit. You like it? You like it? Ha? May nabili na kami dito. Pinapa-gift wrap ko lang. And ayan si Sak nasa unicorn. And si Kuya, andun, oh. Bored na siya sa shopping namin. Ha?
And it's so annoying. I bite my toe.
Oh, yeah. May nakita siya. Do you wanna wear that? For Christmas party? Gusto niya raw itong isuot sa Christmas party, oh. No. It's big. That's for baby. That's for the dog. Ano ka ba? There's no children. This is for adults. There's none. Si Holly nang pumalit, oh.
If you go faster, you might fall.
You might, so just be careful.
I want to pay.
Okay, we're done, guys. Andito na yung ating pangririgalo. Come on, Kuya. Kuya, let's go.
My turn.
Pasok na tayo sa Big W. Ano, Kuya?
Book. He's gonna get the book that he has.
What's that?
I'm getting the book of doctors.
Book. I know. Get a trolley, yeah, please. Thank you.
Yay!
Silang pipili para sa pinsan nila. For who? For Rylan? I think Hunter has that one already. Paw Patrol. Okay, come on. Keep moving. Tingnan mo naman yung nakikita niya, oh. You're too big for that, Baba. Ano na, boys? Wala pa kayong nakikita para sa pinsan nila.
Isn't that fun, Mom?
Yeah. Yeah.
So cute.
Gusto niya tong ipabili sa daddy niya. Pero ang nandito ay size age 5 to 8.
Yeah, I'm older.
No, you're not. You're 4. Yeah, that's 5 to 8.
Come I come 6?
5 first before 6. Yes.
5.
5 to 8. Yes. Wow. Ang hirap na maghanap ng pangririgalo. Lalo na pag wala masyadong choices. Wala.
He doesn't have this one.
Are you sure?
He's got that. Mom, I think he wants a watch.
Watch for Rylan. I don't think so. Rylan know how to read the watch.
Yeah, you just have to say, can you spin this and let
Okay.
go?
Ito raw, oh. Ito raw kay Rylan, oh. So, 3 na lang to, guys. So, eto na lang. Inubos ko na. 3 na lang yung natitira. So, eto na lang ipangregalo natin sa mga bata. Hindi sa kanila. Sa ibang mga bata. Okay, come on. Kasi wala na masyado talaga, as in. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Come on, Zach. Wala na masyado. There. Come on, Papa. Ang hirap mamili na kasama yung mga bata. Si Kuya may mga hinahawakan siya na alam ko na gusto niya. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, punta muna sila doon, isama si Holly. Kasi kinuha ko yung feeling ko na gusto ni Kuya tsaka ni Sak. And then, oh. Kaya bumili ako nun sa Woolies yung freezer bag para may tago ko dyan. So, andun na sila. Asa na sila? Etong guns, alam nila na hindi to para sa kanila. Kaya okay lang na makita nila yan. So, nandyan yung gusto ni Kuya tsaka ni Sak. Okay, hanapin na natin sila. Ah, ayan na. Okay, ayan na sila. Come on.
Zach, I found the sniper.
Paro kami ng pool.
Holy!
Is that the one, yeah?
Yeah, because that's at the green one.
Okay.
That bag.
Kasi sa Christmas, sobrang init. Okay, come on, Kuya. Put this one. Put it there. Slowly, okay.
One of them's float. And then you
The-
flush around in it.
What? No, the noodles one. No, you don't need that one, yeah? No.
Or try to lift it with one hand.
Just be careful. I know you're strong. Okay, let's go. Come on. Move, 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 move. Ano naman kayo nakikita dito?
I have that in candy.
Do you? Wow.
I read it every book for candy.
You like it? Okay, let's go. Mayroon daw niyan siya. Sa candy. So, hinahanapan namin si Hunter na birthday gift. Kasi yung kinuha ko ay eto sa Christmas to eh. Yung para sa birthday niya. Mahilig siya sa cars. Pero feeling ko lahat ng nandito, meron na siya. So, hanap lang muna kami. So, meron na kami nakuha para sa birthday ni Hunter. Ayan. And si Zach, may pinaalala siya sa akin. What did you say before, Zach? For who? Huh? What we gonna get? LOL daw para kay Sophie. Buti na lang, pinaalala sa akin ni Zach. I know, pinaalala niya talaga si Sophie. Tapos siya nag-suggest, just get her LOL, mom. Because she likes LOL. Okay? Dito na tayo kay LOL, guys. Ang dami, oh. Madami sa babae, sa panlalaki, wala akong masyadong nakikita. Okay?
But this looks like a spoon.
I know. That's 3 plus, Zach.
Huh?
Naghahanap pa kami, guys. Let me see.
Wait, should we get Kobe an Xbox game? Because last year for Christmas he gave us a PlayStation game.
Hindi ko rin alam kung anong kukunin kay Sophie. Kasi si Sophie, hindi ko alam kung meron na siya ng mga to. Si Sak, etong pinipili ni Sak, oh. So, ano, hindi na LOL? Ha?
It doesn't have to be a LOL.
So, ano ga? Eto na lang? Are you sure? Kasi marami ng LOL si... Sino ba yan? Si Sophie. So, ngayon, nahihirapan na naman tayo. What were you saying, Zach?
She likes Barbie.
She likes Barbie.
What about Barbie what? What do we need to get Kobe?
Daddy will figure it out.
He likes games.
I know.
And it's
That's 15 plus.
15.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Ano, 15 plus pieces inside. Ano to? Capsule chicks? Ano ya? You think so? Si Sak ang nagsuggest nito, oh.
6 years old. How old is she at?
8. 6 plus. It says 6 plus.
She's turning 7.
Yeah, turning 7. Okay.
Okay.
What's that, Holly?
Turn it around.
Ito sana.
This book.
Sophie has that one.
This stuff.
Ito,
Wait, no,
oh.
that's a backpack.
Maganda sana to. Alis,
Backpack.
kaso sabi ni Holly, meron daw nito. Meron daw nito si Sophie. Ay, ano ba to? Last one na lang daw to, oh. Maganda siya. Ang cute. So, ngayon naman, ang hinahanapan namin ay si Rylan. Meron na kami para kay Sophie. Rylan naman tayo. Okay? So, meron na tayo kay Rylan. Ayan.
He's like Patrol.
For who? Okay, just add this one as well. So, meron tayo kay
Holly has one of them.
Rylan. Okay. Hindi pa to pwede kay Rylan, guys. Kasi si Rylan magtutupa lang. And, baka hindi siya kasya sa
But how much
kamay
is
ni
this?
Rylan.
How much is this?
Bakit ikaw magbabayad? So, eto na lang kasi pwede niya itong laruin.
We don't know what
Kahit 3 plus siya. Eto kasi, yung dito niya ba, baka hindi magkasya. What? Tingnan mo siya, oh. Ini-scan niya kasi mayroong scanner dito, oh. Kaya ano na lang to, idagdag ko na lang to sa birthday gift para kay Hunter. So, yung dalawa sa kanya. What's that, Baba? Come on. Tingnan nyo na sila, oh. Nag-scan na sila doon, oh. Na-discover yan ni Zach. Okay, come on. Anong nakikita mo?
Dogman Unleashed. That's the only book I haven't read.
Naghahanap sila ng
Dogman
book.
Unleashed.
Dogman yung kay Kuya Kaso. Sabi ni Kuya, nabasa niya na raw lahat yan sa school.
I wanted to get the one that I haven't red, but the other than that.
They don't have it.
Someone took it.
So, pili tayong wrapping paper. What do you like, Kuya? Red? Okay.
The red's, yeah, that one.
This one? Okay. So, kuha akong 5. Sa isang pack, meron siya, yes, meron siyang 3 laman. Okay.
1,000.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my God.
Ayun si Kuya, oh. Bit-bit niya yung 2. Ewan ko sa kanya kung bakit ayaw ilagay dito. So, ayan na yung itsura ng cart natin, guys. Punta tayo dun sa may mga damit na pambata. Yeah?
Bowl things that you hot in.
Bilhan ko yung mga bata ng pang Christmas party kasi black yung theme namin this year. Ayan, oh, shorts. Kuya, size 8. Come on. For Christmas party. Okay?
Oh,
How about you, Sak?
I want
Christmas. Gusto ni Sak yung mga ganito, yung mga print. So, eto kay Kuya yan. So, eto, kinuha ko to, pandagdag para kay Rylin. Kasi mahilig din siya sa Bluey. Si Holly, mahilig din siya dyan. So, si Sak ang nakakita nito, oh. Okay. Yan, nagbabayad na kami. Anong oras na? What time is it? 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. You right, Zach? Okay. Thank you. Oh. Okay, let's go. Thank you. See ya. You too. Okay, Kuya. Okay. Ilalagay lang muna namin to sa car and balik kami sa loob kasi punta tayo ng Big W. Woolies. Bilhin ako ng mga drinks para sa family Christmas party namin, ha?
Can we do it on the way to Adelaide?
No. Sarado na yung mga ibang shops. Punta tayo ng Woolies. Wala lang tao dun, oh. Kunti na lang. Si Holly, hindi talaga siya papasok sa grocery or sa store na hindi siya nagsasanitize. Okay. Get that one, yeah. Oh, it's heavy. You're right. Zach, can you help Kuya TJ, please? And eto na yung mga soft drinks. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Zach, help.
I can by myself. No.
1, 2, 3.
Push me by myself.
It's alright, go. It's alright. Good job, Saki boy. Okay, get Fanta. Ah, Solo, sorry. Pinalitan namin yung Fanta ng Solo kasi mas gusto ni Kuya yan. Pero kuha pa rin ako nito, yung isa. Ito yung malaki instead yung maliliit na cans. No, you cannot. Okay, you can't. Kulit talaga ni Sak. Alright? Okay now? Okay. Now we're gonna get more soft drinks. Big bottles. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng Pepsi, no? We got Coke. We're gonna get Sprite. Sprite and Coke na malaki. Huh? Oh, yeah. Kuha tayong Sprite. Okay, come on. Oh. Turn niya rin daw. Okay. Careful, Baba, ha? It's alright. Okay? Okay. Favorite daw to ni Sak. Ito yung Kirk's na creaming soda. Ha?
These are my drinks. Kuya TJ's is the Solo and that's his Fanta and Coke.
Yeah, okay. We're good? I think we need more Coke. Big Coke. Ayan. Punta tayo sa may mga bread. Tapos na tayo sa drinks. Ayan yung mga nakuha natin. Oh. Iba-ibang klase. May tubig, tapos basta iba-iba siya. Okay, si Jang gusto niya raw ng Vegemite scroll. Last lang Vegemite. Ito na lang na cheese and bacon rolls. Bless you, Kuya. Okay, let's go. Kuha raw kami ng milk. Okay. Inunahan niya si Kuya. Oh, don't squash the bread. Okay, let's go. Ito yung gusto ko, guava. Kuha ko nito. Excuse me. Okay.
Oh, I remember that.
Remember? You like that one, right? Okay, come on. Tapos na tayo dito sa Woolies. Okay, come on, Baba. That's enough. Nag-ano muna kami, nag-sanitize. Come on, that's enough, Baba. Come on. Okay, let's go. We're done here, guys. Ayan na lahat ng drinks. And ito yung dinner ni John. Ito yung bili niya. Wala yung Vegemite kasi eh. Ha? Okay, let's go. Ayan na. Paano natin to? Paano natin to ipagkakasya? Wait lang, Sak. Okay, quick. Can you go up and arrange all this there? Kasi meron pang space ata sa likod.
I don't think I can get in.
Wait lang. Ayan, napagkasya ni Kuya. Good job, Kuya. Ha?
Mom, can you bring it down?
Okay. Okay, go, Zach. Go. Go, Zach. Good job. Okay, let's go. Katapos lang namin mag-unload ng mga bata. Yung mga bata nag-ride agad ng bike. And, ayan si John. Uulan. So, kunin natin yung mga sinampay ko kanina. Hey, how did you go fishing, huh?
Nah, they're all sick.
They're all sick. Did you catch anything? Did they
Yeah,
catch
got some.
anything?
One did. The rest I was sick and sleeping, and
Nahi.
we got 3 crays.
3 crawfish.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Oh, nahilo yung mga mga nag-fish sa kanya. They're doctors, right?
One was.
One was, and the rest.
I
Oh.
didn't talk much. I was Chinese.
They're all Chinese.
Didn't speak much English.
Oh, mga Chinese daw yung nag-fish sa kanya. And hindi raw nagsasalita masyado. Natulog lang daw.
Dad, they took
And did he get any fish?
Yeah, we got 4 fish.
What kind?
Nanny Guy and
Naniga, hindi ko
some
yun.
crayfish, but yeah, they didn't really do anything.
Really? Oh, what time did you finish?
1.
1 o'clock?
Yeah,
That was quick.
I know.
Wow. So, end ko na yung vlog, guys. So, nahilo raw yung mga niya. Yung mga nag-fish, mga kasama niyang mga Chinese. Okay, say goodbye now.
Goodbye now.
We're gonna close our vlog now. Where's the boys?
They're riding the bike.
Oh, yes. Okay, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you're having. See you on our next vlog.
Bye.
Tulungan ko na si Jan. Kasi uulan na, guys.
This is Santa. Stop here. Santa, can you please stop here? We've been really, really good all year. We've got milk and cookies, your favorite treat. They're sitting ready for you to eat. Guys, did you like the story? Did you, Holly? Yeah! Did you do that? Yeah?